shortens everything out.
Oh really? Oh wow, I didn't know that. Magnets? I remember when I had a
You
little
can put a
baby
magnet on a 10-ounce magnet on top of the hood above the battery of the car. It has an alarm system. It'll turn your alarm system off and kill the car.
It's basically like you can do that just regular with a battery too.
With any battery.
If you make this little stand and you stick it straight up and it's all metal on the bottom, you close your hood, that'll arc weld that battery straight to the working thing. Like you lift up your trunk again, that battery will be stuck in the bottom plate. I seen this done at the landfill. It was sick.
That's crazy.
Big old diesel fucking truck too.
Well, anyway, I'm taking dude out there at 1. I told him what I wanted him to do. I said, I'll pay you by the hour. You keep track of your hours. Be straight with me on your hours, because I work on a trust issue, dude, and that's how it is. I ain't going to be out here helping you grade, and I ain't going to help you do none of that stuff.
Right.
What I want you to do is just, I want you to grade it and stuff. I said, I will be out here with you tomorrow pouring concrete.
I think most times you go
I'm going all the way back.
all the way.
John, I talked to John, I got 4 more pads, that's it.
That's cool. That's sweet.
And I'll do all that by this weekend. I'll have all the way back done by Saturday.
Oh wow.
I'll start from the back one and move it forward, and you know what I'm saying?
So that's a good idea. That's sweet.
So I'm going to have to do that back pad first before I could do any of the next area anyway, because so I'm going to do that one pad here, and then I'm going to go and I'll do this pad and this pad on Saturday, and then I'll do that last pad on Monday morning. You know what I mean? That'd be quick and easy, because I can get dude out there with me Saturday and with Preston. We can knock that out so quick. I might be able to get that pad tomorrow, sometime in the morning, but that's what I'm going to do. And I might be able to.
Was that hard work, Morty?
It's going to be hard for them to finish that back pad and then do that next.
Morty.
Actually, that's my thought. I'll be able to do that pad and this pad and leave that one little pad right there, and then pour that one on Monday. I got so much friends over there, dude. Sick. Don't even know what to do with me right now.
He's your family, he's like, yeah, that's true.
Why don't you put yourself together a cheap little hydro system, Dustin?
I want you, but I need to come up, bro.
It's not really expensive, dude.
I need somebody to put